Hi, Colin here from the car site. Today we're in Western Motors Galway to look at this 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc Commercial ED75. It's absolutely brand new and it's a really nicely spec'd van. So into the cab of the T-Roc, and this one is brand new. It's got 23 kilometers on it, so it's an absolutely new car. There's no point in me talking about the spec of the car, or sorry, the condition of the car. Let's move on to the spec. The spec is excellent on it because this is a T-Roc from here forward, and that's a high spec car to begin with. So we get the full multifunction wheel. On this side, we get a nice leather-lined steering wheel over here. We get the digital gauge cockpit here. That allows, basically you can adjust that any way you want, effectively. You can put whatever pertinent information you want front and center into the middle of that. We can do it all through here on this side. On this side of our multifunction steering wheel, we have our cruise control and our radar, fully adaptive cruise control. So that's another nice touch for long distance driving. We have dual cabin climate control down here. We get the big plinth screen as normal in these things. And they're a really good thing. They're super fast. They react really quickly. They have all of their own inbuilt apps from Volkswagen where you can go online and that kind of stuff. But they have the important stuff too, like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, reverse cam, park sensors. The car is loaded with spec. So here we are out driving the T-Roc, and it drives just like a T-Roc. It's absolutely brand new, so you know all that. I don't need to tell you about that. But its actual feel to drive is lovely and compliant. And unlike most vans, it doesn't need weight in the back of it to be a nice place to spend time. It's lovely and quiet, just like a T-Roc. It's lovely and compliant on the road, just like a T-Roc. It handles well too. It's the type of thing you could spend your working day in quite easily. Very comfortably, in fact. If you were a chap who had to drive around from site to site to site, managing or whatever, that kind of stuff, it would make good financial sense to buy this because you can write off a huge swathe of it and the fuel and all that kind of stuff. But also to live with it and be inside it would be a nice place to spend your time. Anyway, that's enough from me. We'll head back to Western Motors and I'll introduce you to one of the brand ambassadors now.
Western Motors is a family-run business. You're as likely to meet one of the owners walking around as you are one of the salesmen. We want to look after your experience when you walk in the door to when you drive out the door.